हो गया? ओह माय लॉर्ड, इट डज लुक गुड। आजकल एआई का जमाना आ चुका है। एआई,
Okay, I will destroy humans.
हम एआई से पूछेंगे कि कौन सा एनिमल इस मोटरसाइकिल को रिसेंबल करता है, उसके साथ दिखता है। दैट मोटरसाइकिल इट्स मॉर्फिंग इनटू दैट एनिमल। एआई जो यूज करेंगे वो है आपका चैट जीपीटी। प्रॉम्प्ट यह है कि फॉर केटीएम ड्यूक 390, जिसको हम लोग चेंज करते रहेंगे, मोटरसाइकिल, क्रिएट इमेज ऑफ इट मॉर्फिंग इनटू एन एनिमल दैट रिसेंबल्स। फॉर दैट यू नीड टू रिसर्च एंड डिसाइड बेस्ड ऑन केटीएम ड्यूक 390 मोटरसाइकिल डिजाइन। मैंने ऑलरेडी एक ट्राई किया है केटीएम ड्यूक 390 के लिए, एंड उसने पहले पूरा रिसर्च किया और डिसाइड किया कौन सा एनिमल होगा। दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट फ्रॉम चैट जीपीटी। आई से नॉट बैड, it does look like a Duke, somewhat like a Duke 390. Headlamp no, header pipe ज्यादा हो गया है, trellis frame तो करेक्ट है, टैंक शेप भी ठीक ही है, even the engine like a Duke 390. इसमें क्या है कि इसको रिसेंबल किया है चीता के साथ। क्या रिसर्च किया था बाय द वे इसने? एनिमल मैच चीता, स्पीड एंड एक्सेलरेशन, ड्यूक लाइट वेट एंड echoes with the cheetah's top speed prowess and explosive sprints, slim agile build like a cheetah's lean form and orange black contrast. Not bad, I'll say. Oh yeah, this one made it a double disc. Lol. Number of header pipes. Yeah, I saw. One, there's 3 of them. The triple. It's a bloody triple Duke 390. अभी next करते हैं Royal Enfield GT 650. Okay. अरे आ गया, अबे सही में लाए ना बे. And that's not a GT. Instead of GT, it showed Interceptor. But not bad. Okay. If it was Interceptor, मतलब कि इंजन का डिजाइन देखिए, फ्रंट में सिंगल डिस्क है इसमें, हाँ, didn't fall there, looks like an Interceptor, the dual header pipe, and is resembling a lion, nice, torquey like a lion, huh? Heavy, big, roars like a lion. Not bad, but I asked for GT. Better to start a new chat. फिर से ट्राई करते हैं नया चैट बना के। GT 650 का सही पिक्चर मिला है इसको इस बार। Animals it resembles black panther, leopard. Leopards and panthers have explosive power. Sleek, muscular, elegant, low profile with sudden burst of power. As I said, sudden burst of power. So Interceptor is the lion and GT can be a leopard. This looks fucking amazing, dude. Shit, this came out good. Front single disc bhi hai. The engine looks so accurate. It has added in a cowl also for the extra effect. The cowl looks damn cool. Okay, let's try this time. BMW S1000 RR, okay. Asymmetric headlamps. Oh, still it's using the old S1000 RR for its creation. Wolf, dragon, lizard hybrid. This is some Pokemon level shit. Okay, बन गया? I think it's done. Oh my lord! Hybrid of electric wolf और क्या? Reptile, dragon. Some crazy ass Pokemon, man, but looks damn cool. It's doing a good job with this morphing images. KTM कितना अच्छा नहीं था मैं बोलूंगा। As we are making more ना, he's doing some crazy ass morphs right now. I really want to try for S1000 RR 2025, okay? इसमें बोल रहा है कि S1000 RR resembles a shark. I can say that it does resemble a shark, white color, like a great white shark. Killer whale भी resemble करता है और shark को भी resemble करता है। Aerodynamic winglets, sleek tapered nose, and LED headlights evoke a predatory shark's face. Oh, check out this morph. Actually, it does resemble the look especially, and it is the one of the top predators of the ocean, just like S1000 RR, one of the top liter class, one of the top motorcycles, flagship. This looks damn nice. It goes with the color also, great white shark. The color combination, white and the blue. It does have fins also, gills. Yeah, it has slits like gills. My bad. And fins तो कह सकते हैं कि winglets. Yeah, winglets look like fins, right? Okay. एक्सपल्स लगा दिया है, देखते हैं क्या बन के आता है। तो यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि इट रिसेंबल्स अ माउंटेन गोट और आइबेक्स। ओह, मेक्स सेंस डूड। जस्ट लाइक द बाइक, इट्स बिल्ट टू क्लाइंब लॉफ्टी हाइट्स एंड रफ टेरेन्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड रेजिलिएंट। इट्स डन। Oh shit, see the headlamp placement, man. We can start a new series of Pokemons, huh? Motomons. And the bike is also kind of accurate, man. Knobby tires on it. Not bad. The beak. This was a good morph. The Pokemon name, Goat Pulse. Oh shit. Oh yeah, the legs resemble the main stand. R15 B4. Let's be precise, okay? तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि suggested animal morph falcon or peregrine falcon, okay? which is actually Hayabusa. Speed and agility. R15 is all about quick revs, nimble cornering, exactly, and racing spirit, exactly, which aligns with the Falcon's reputation as one of the fastest, most precise and aerial predators. हाँ, fastest लिखा है. I know R15 is not the fastest, but a fastest 150. It has the racing spirit. It's a proper race bike. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. Now I'm thinking about it. It does resemble somewhat like a Falcon. अगर R1 का भी करते, then I would have suggested a Falcon only. इस Pokemon का नाम क्या होगा? I like it. Farian 5. Let's see Hayabusa क्या बोलता है. Why the Hayabusa represent Peregrine Falcon? Again, is Hayabusa जो Japanese word है, उसका मीनिंग ही होता है Peregrine Falcon. तो obviously it's gonna resemble with that. The bodywork is sculpted for minimal air resistance, similar to streamlined form of Falcon in diving flight. तो ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि R15 कोई normal Falcon पेरिग्रिन नहीं है, लेकिन जो असली का पेरिग्रिन फैल्कन है, जो एक्चुअली रिसेंबल करता है, इट्स हायाबुसा. कबूतर. कबूतर मारता है, कबूतर थोड़ी ना है. कंपेयर्ड टू यामाहा, दिस वन केम आउट रियली नाइस. दिस इज द इवॉल्व फॉर्म. डुकाटी पानी गाले V4. साइबेरियन टाइगर, ऑरेंज, रेड कोई जानवर तो होता नहीं है. इंस्पायर्ड बाय रेड बट मंकी. baboon. Alpha predator energy dominant and imposing. Smooth explosive power with his precise moves. हो गया? Oh my lord, it does look good. Wow! This came out so good. How a Ducati has morphed into a tiger. अगर tiger थोड़ा सा red होता ना तो और मस्त आता ये. The top predator, right? Just like how the motorcycle is. How they have molded the eyes and the headlamp. It can be a good livery also for the Ducati Panigale. Let's try Royal Enfield Classic 350. Bullet Classic 350 same 19-20 का ही फर्क है. The Classic 350 is relaxed thump. Okay, maybe it does a massage on certain part of your body and steady torque at low revs and enduring presence of an elephant. Okay then, why not? I love elephants, man. Why we are laughing? It's solid, timeless and quietly powerful. Elephants are bloody powerful. Reflecting elegance and steadiness. Classic 350 morphing into elephant makes total sense actually. Dominar वालों ने ad भी बनाया था. ऐसे ही कुछ. The morph is not that great. अगर headlamp की तरफ कुछ किया होता, उसका सर होता, this is fine. But it came out nice. The design which they've used, na, pencil sketch kind of. Retro style. The detailing is actually really good, man. Malgudi days wali feeling there. Let's try Activa. I want to see. I have no idea what an Activa can morph into. Honda Activa. Animal morph. Hair. Nimble, reliable, always ready to dart through traffic. Activa should be a mouse. Mouse. Yeah, it can be a mouse also. Now I'm thinking, as a rabbit, a hare makes sense. Small like a rabbit, goes through, traffic, and shit ton of them out there. And the morph also looks good. Looks cute also. Yeah, Activa is cute. Chalo, next. Street Triple RS. Let's try Street Triple RS actually. Should be praying mantis. That Kida. Okay. Mantis shrimp. Okay. Yes, let's do it. Bulging twin headlight units. Yes, it resembles the large protruding eyes of mantis shrimp. Oh my. Whoa! 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 This is so cool. So gothic. So dark. Best one so far. Oh, this is the shit. This is what I was waiting for ChatGPT. If God of War rides a motorcycle. Husqvarna Vitpillion 401 because I love Husqvarna's designs. So I want to see what that design looks like if it morphs into an animal. Okay, Arctic Fox. Not bad. I think we can stick with this. The Vitpillion 401 is rooted in Husqvarna's Swedish heritage, and the Arctic Fox is a sleek, minimal, adaptive creature native to northern climates. Design parallel just like motorcycles' lean silhouette. Arctic Fox has narrow body, angular lines, his snout and everything, and swift posture. This sounds interesting. It does resemble. Whoa, cute. Nice. White color, resembles a fox from Sweden. How well they have put the headlamp on the, like the eyes resembles the headlamp. Cool, very cool. RC390, yeah, let's do RC390, man. 2024, I want to see the new one. It's saying it matches animal cobra. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Why a cobra? Front fairing shape. Closely resembles cobra's hood when expanded, yeah. Wide and aggressive. KTM's bold color scheme evokes the warning colors of a venomous reptile. Okay, it has come out. Oh my god. Front doesn't look from any angle like a RC390, but the description what it gave was very accurate. If they would have given the head in the front, that would have come out very nice. Can you make the head lamp area head of Cobra? Let's try one more time, okay? I think ChatGPT can do better. Nagraj 390, nice name. Dual disc. I don't know, whenever we're doing KTM, it's showing dual disc. और बाकी जितनी भी सिंगल डिस्क वाली बाइक लिखी उनका सबका सिंगल डिस्क आया था. लगता है बहुत लोगों ने मॉड किया है इस मोटरसाइकिल को डबल डिस्क में. इवन ChatGPT भी यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. I think the ChatGPT was telling is correct, but what it's creating is not that great. This is so weird. Nagin season 2. TVS का तक TVS किया ही नहीं अभी तक. RR310. Lionfish. What is a lionfish? Beautifully dangerous. Just like RR310's deceptive, elegant design hiding performance. Striking red, orange, white patterns aligns with Apache's color themes. Originates from Indo-Pacific region, much like Indian roots of a TVS brand. Then makes more sense. Oh, हो गया. Yuck. Didn't come out that well, but जो लिखा था उसके हिसाब से तो बहुत अच्छा कंपैरिजन था. Not bad going underwater also, man. सजा होना चाहिए. It's give me some SpongeBob vibe. सकता ज्यादा काम करवा लिया ChatGPT से, हगना शुरू कर दिया है. हार्ली डेविडसन नहीं किया अभी तक, okay? हार्ली डेविडसन फैट बॉब. बुल और बफलो. Okay, let's look at the image. It can be a buffalo, man, especially with those handlebars, with those big horns, heavy set, powerful, muscular, relentless forward momentum, mirroring the hard foot presence and torque of the bike. पक्का कुछ कांड करेगा. Bison, buffalo, एक ही कैटेगरी में आ जाता है सब ना, कुछ ही एक ही टाइप से. No, bison are not type of buffalo, so though they are often called buffaloes, okay, particularly in North America. Oh, this is a bison actually then. But the morph is good. This came out good. We were thinking ChatGPT hagega, but haga nahi. It came out good. And it's actually a bison. So, North America में पाया भी जाता है. Just like how a Harley Davidson is made in North America. Totally makes sense. Also, कभी-कभी इनको buffalo भी बोलते हैं वहाँ पे. जैसे हम लोग ने अभी पढ़ा. अभी क्या करेंगे, ये बोनस कंटेंट मान लो इसको. बोनस कंटेंट है ये. That same image that we created in ChatGPT into Sora, वीडियो क्रिएटर है, और फिर उसको बोल दे कि एनिमेट इट हाउ यू लाइक, बी क्रिएटिव, जो करना करो. सैडली यूज ओनली फॉर क्रिंज मीम. यस, दैट्स द बेस्ट यूज. ओके, सो एक तो मैंने ये बनाया, ये देखिए कुछ भी हो रहा है. चीता चला रहा है, चीता भाग रहा है इसके पीछे. एंड विच बाइक इज दैट गॉड नोज. मैंने बताया भी नहीं AI को कि कौन सी बाइक है. जो बनाना बनाओ, जो मन में आए. अंड बंड संड. फिर इसका भी बनाया था आपका स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल RS Mantis Shrimp. This came out good, ना? How the scales are moving and how the eyes are glowing and everything else moving. This came out really good. ये तो अजीबोगरीब है. This is full Transformer scene like. क्या नाम होगा इस ट्रांसफॉर्मर का? झिंगाराज. झिंगाराज कौन सा हिंदी डब ट्रांसफॉर्मर है क्या? Oh wow! Check out this render. From this image to this render. Animated. Wow. Dual disc though.